Let's be real. All you wanna look like me, wanna run up in the lab and cook like me, wanna be on demand, get booked like me. Man, you good like me, so good, wanna still fight me. I don't know if that's the words. So y'all, don't mind my eyes. My eyelids are stained from the eyeshadow, but I'm sitting here editing and I just realized that I was not in focus for the most of the video, so it's alright, still watch it. Sorry, love you guys. Hey y'all, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a little Valentine's Day get ready with me. If this doesn't work out, then I don't know what to tell y'all. Still gonna post it because I'm not going to stay here and do all this content. I think I'm going to do like a purplish pink eye look. So yeah, I already did my eyebrows. I didn't really blend out my concealer, so if you see it, that's why. I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild concealer in light medium beige, and I'm just going to be putting that all over my eyelids. Now lately, like, I think y'all know I stopped doing my makeup. One of the reasons is because I started not liking it. Another reason was because it kept staining my eyeballs, and like I don't really have a real eyeshadow primer for it to not stain my eyes. So it was like, you know, I don't like walking around with pink eyelids all the time, and it make me look like I'm sick, and it's just like, it's a lot. Another reason why I stopped using makeup was because I feel like I was starting to get used to it, which is not an issue, but I started to feel certain ways when I had to go without it, which is not good at all. I'm going to be taking my BH Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here and putting it in my crease. I started to get into the habit of getting used to it, and I feel like as a young girl I shouldn't feel used to wearing makeup all the time, because I wasn't born with makeup. Like, I shouldn't feel like I need makeup to satisfy me or whatever the case may be. And I felt myself falling down that hole that a lot of people fall into because they don't feel themselves slipping into it. You know, that lack of self-confidence hole. And I nipped it in the bud and I said, nope. I refuse to be one of those girls that, you know, can't go without. One of those girls that they always gotta wear makeup to the market and stuff like that. Like, I don't want that to be me. That's where my life was headed, so I stopped. But now I'm trying to get back into the swing of things, so hopefully, you know, I still got some type of groove. I've seen a whole bunch of YouTubers and beauty gurus and people on Instagram, when they do the like the concealer on their eyebrows now, they don't set it, because y'all know I used to set it with my Aspin powder, but they don't set it. So I was like, okay, I'm not gonna try it. And all the times that I tried it, I just feel like it makes my eyeballs patchy, because like the concealer is tacky, so when you set it, it's not tacky, so it gives it a smooth surface to cling to. But when you don't set it, it's like the eyeshadow just gets stuck to wherever it gets stuck to first, and it requires a lot more blending, which I don't like. Okay y'all, hopefully that's blended out enough. If it's not, then boop, I don't know. So next I'm going to be taking this bright pink in the palette, and I'm going to be putting that in, like, kind of, I don't know, on top. I feel like my eyebrows are looking real sharp, but we're gonna fix that in the end, so don't pay no mind to that. I think I'm looking real light in this camera, but I don't know. We're just gonna leave it how it is. Okay, I'm also Y'all can't see, but I'm also going to be taking my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be taking, let's see. I'm going to be taking the color Enchanted right here. Wait, I can't tell. Y'all, I can't tell if this is a green or this is like a black green, but it looks like a lighter black. So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to take my BH 105 brush, and I'm going to try to put it just a tad bit. I'm going to try to put it like directly in the crease and concentrate it. Then I'm going to go back out with my blending brush, and we're going to blend that out. Okay, so I just spent the last like 20 minutes trying to blend this eyeshadow out, and it's just, the black on this side is just not blended. So what we're going to do is just, we're just going to start the cut crease. Like, I don't have time. So I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation. Now I'm going to be taking my Beauty Gem palette. And I'm going to be taking, it's like this bone color shade right here. And I'm going to be setting it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back in with that same pink shade that I used before in the BH palette, and I'm gonna put it, I'm gonna try to blend. Okay, so now that I kind of created like the gradient effects, I'm gonna go over my Jaclyn Hill palette. Y'all, it's so many colors up here that I want to do. I really don't know. I'm going to spray my brush with the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. And I'm going to be taking Silk Cream and putting that all in the areas that's not covered. So like right here. Okay, so now that I did that, once again, I'm going to be taking a little bit of pink from the BH palette, and I'm going to be trying to blend that in together. Okay, y'all, so that's it for the eyes. Yeah, so I already primed my face. Now I'm going to be taking first my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. And we're just going to let that dry. Now, while that dries, let's talk. So, I feel like my skin has been so trash lately. And I've been wanting to do a purple eye look for a long time, but I just didn't want to do it because I just felt like my skin just was not where it needed to be. But I mean, part of being a real human being is showing your flaws, and part of being a YouTuber is being able to connect and relate to your subscribers. Next, I'm going to be spraying my Mario Badescu Aloe Cucumber Green Tea one all on top. So if I'm not able to be real with y'all and show y'all when my face is like this and stuff, then it's no point. Because like, I feel like a lot of people get so wrapped up in trying to be perfect on social media nowadays that they forget, like, you know, we still all human. It's okay to have flaws and blemishes and stuff like that. Plus, I'm a teenager. Like, this is supposed to be the time where I have stuff going wrong with my skin and stuff like that. So next, I'm going to take my Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation in, actually no, I'm going to take this one, my LA Girl Pro Coverage and Bronze, and I'm only going to take one pump of that. Then I'm going to take one pump of my Milani Foundation in Tan, and we're just going to mix the two because I really don't know what shade I am right now. And I just feel like mixing the two may give me better results. Okay, contrary to what everybody on Twitter is saying, I hope everybody that's going out for Valentine's Day is safe. I hope you guys have fun. I feel like every year it's nothing new, but every year everybody's just always so bitter because they don't have a Valentine's Day. And I mean, it's okay. Like, we still young. Y'all, do y'all nose start running when y'all be doing your makeup? I truly do feel like it's okay. I feel like this is our time to have fun. This is our time to shine. And what will be for, I mean, what's for us will be for us. If we need to be in a relationship at a certain time, we will be in a relationship at a certain time. If we don't need to be in a relationship, then we shall stay single and remain out of a relationship. Like, I feel like this generation, because of what they see on their timeline and stuff, they just always feel so pressured to, like, to, you know, be fast and everything. Everybody gotta be doing the same thing. Everybody gotta have this. Everybody gotta have that. Everybody gotta be the first to do this, first to do that, first to do this. It is okay. In person, this is my perfect foundation shade, but I know on the camera it likes to come up differently. So if it comes up differently on camera, do not clock me. I don't care. Okay, so the concealer that I just used was my LA Girl Pure Beige, and then I'm about to use I'm about to let this dry a little bit, so I'm gonna put my contour on using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Dark Cocoa. And then when this dries a little bit, I'm gonna put on top my Wet n Wild concealer in Light Medium Beige, because y'all, I'm trying to be highlighted today. Like, I don't have time. Y'all, my camera died. So sorry if I'm freaking out of focus. I can't tell. Now I'm going to take one of these brushes. This is for contour. And I'm going to blend that out. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my highlighter brush. And we're going to highlight. But I don't know what highlight we're going to use. Okay, I'm going to take just a tad bit of the Silk Cream and put it on my nose. Oh, that is so pretty. And this is a pink highlighter, so it might look a little crazy, but we don't know. Then I'm going to be taking my Studio Highlighter palette. We're going to take some more right here. I'm going to take these two colors, so like this pinkish color and this goldish color. I'm going to mix these together. And I'm going to wet my brush this time. Y'all know how I feel about applying freaking highlighter on texture. Y'all know I hate it, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. So to tone this down a little bit, because this highlighter is not my color. To tone this down a little bit, we're going to be putting a sponge to it. Now I'm going to go do my lashes off camera. I'm going to put some mascara on, then do my lashes, and I'm going to come back and we're going to choose a lip color. Okay, y'all know how my eyes do when I get a little bit of freaking eyelashes on. So if y'all see this eyelash acting crazy or sticking up or anything, don't mind it. I really don't care at this point. Like, I'm done drawing. Now for my under eye, I'm going to take this brush and I'm just going to put that same purple that we used in the beginning underneath my under eye. I think this turned out to be more of a smoky eye than anything, and I didn't mean for it to be, but I guess that's what it is. So I think I'm done. If I think of anything else to do, like blow my nose, I will leave it in the description box. Hopefully this looks good on camera, because Right here, it looks good. I don't know about this side. This contour looks a little bit crazy in the thing, but yeah. But yeah, if y'all like what y'all see, then subscribe. If I look back at this video and I decide it was a fail because of whatever reason, I will put that in the title, because stuff always looks good in person, but you know, you never know how it looks on camera. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my outfit, and I will see y'all guys in my next video. Bye.